You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce these Italian names as well as how to say more confusing Italian names and vocabulary. This is Italian for Peter or Peter. Pierro, Pierro is how to say it, so you have a double R, so you need to really trill the R there. Pierro. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.